Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status. Kindly stay till the end so you don't miss a step. First you need to select the picture or video you want the music to be added to. Now as you can see, the music icon is the first option above, but if you don't have it, then kindly update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Now kindly select or search for any music of your choice. As you can see, we have successfully added the music to our WhatsApp status. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.